Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will calculate the missing values. Here statement is given, rather information is not given. That the statement is given to either it is related to simple arithmetic mean or weighted arithmetic mean or combined arithmetic mean or corrected arithmetic mean. It is our observation that from this statement we will first of all check which type of information is given. So let us see. Number of students are given and number of students of section A, section B, section C and combined A plus B plus C. All the three sections combined information marks, number of students are also given. Then mean marks are given. Section A mean marks, section B, section C mean marks are missing and combined mean marks from section A plus B plus C. So this is the information whatever is given to us. It means the question is related to combined arithmetic mean. So this is a question of combined mean. Until or unless we will not recognize that which type of arithmetic mean is given, then unless we can't apply formula. So let us start with whatever which have to derived. Section A, section B, section C. Let us see which are the missing values. Here number of students are missing. So let us assume that the missing number of students in section B will be equivalent to x. We are putting small x against it. So here this is known as small x. Then $30 plus x plus 40, that would be equivalent to 120, or x is equal to 120 minus 70, or x is equal to 50. So this is the value of x which we have derived by assuming that the number of students of section B are x. And now let us take number of students in section A will be written as n1. Then number of students of section B will be written as n2. Then number of students of section C will be written as, we are writing n2, n3. Then these are the number of students of section A, section B, section C. And now also let us take mean marks as section A, as x bar 1. Then mean marks of section B we will written as x bar 2 and x bar 3. And also one more information is given: combined number of students. Combined number of students from the section A plus B plus C is also given, which is equivalent to, this is 120. And the combined mean marks of the section A plus B plus C is also given, which is equivalent to 55. So this is the information whatever is given to us. Now let us do calculate the missing values by putting the formula in a combined mean. So the formula of combined arithmetic mean of section 1, section 2, section 3 is equal to n1 multiplied by x bar 1 plus n2 multiplied by x bar 2 plus n3 multiplied by x bar 3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. Now let us put the values. We are given the value of x bar mean marks of all the students, which is 55. Either these 55 is related to mean marks of all the three sections. This is equivalent to. So let us put the value in this mean marks obtained by all the three sections, which is 55. So 55 is equal to the value of n1. n1 is equal to 30. n2 we have derived the value of n2. This is the value of n2 is equal to 50. The value of n3 is equal to 40. So let us write down 30 multiplied by 50. So this is the value 50, and this we have to derived, and the value of section, this is 40 mean marks, and the value of third section we have to derive. I am putting question mark against it. Then plus second 50 multiplied by 40 plus n3, the value of n3 is 40 multiplied by x bar 3 because the value we have derived, and n1 plus n2 plus n3. This is the value of n1, n2 or n3. 30 plus 50 plus 40. And we can also write down 120 as it is equal to 120. Now here 55 multiplied by 120 by cross multiplication is equal to 1500 plus 2000 plus 40 x bar 3. So 6600 is equal to 3500 plus 40 x bar 3, or 6600 minus 3500 is equal to 0 0 1 3. 3100 is equal to 40 x bar 3, or 40 x bar 3, or x bar 3 is equal to 3100 divided by 40 is equal to 77.5. So 77.5 is the value of x bar 3 is equal to 77.5. So the value of x bar 3 is equal to 77.5. This is 77.5. So in this way we can calculate any missing values. First of all, we should kept in mind that first of all you have to recognize, as well as you read the statement. First of all you find out either the statement is related to simple arithmetic mean or combined arithmetic mean or corrected arithmetic mean, so that we can apply the formula easily. Now we have recognized that these values are related to combined arithmetic mean, and we have put the miss values, either the values were missing or the values were given in this formula, and we have derived all the missing values. In this way we can calculate any missing values. We can calculate either the missing frequencies or missing values in any series related to arithmetic mean. So do subscribe the channel to see such type of more technical numericals related to arithmetic mean. Thank you.